Hiking again. Good morning. Wow, look at the golden rice field. Golden color of the palay. It's harvest time, harvest season. Beautiful view. Shortcut. Gasping for air. Look at the mountain. It's like Mount Fuji of Lokban. Real. Here. Real car. Thursday morning hike to a radar or some sort of farm up in the mountain. This is a flower farm outside of the town proper. Philippine time as usual. Hiking. Wow, first time beyond our limit. Going on the foot of Mount Banahaw. An abandoned structure by the road, rural road. We are going further in to the forest with a paved road for farmers who are growing their crop up in the mountain. Coyote planting, Coyote vegetable garden. Or kaingin, we call it kaingin or vegetable, different kind of vegetable garden farming. Maulan o dry stream oh.
May tubig yan, malakas ang tubig yan.
When raining. Papaya. We are getting deeper into the rainforest. Paunawa, pwede nang maghatid, bawal sumundo. Kontrata, may pila po dito. Salamat. By Palola Toda. Paunawa. Oyo. Pechay. Pechay yo. Lakbay awit. Pwede maghatid, bawal sumundo or kontrata. May pila po dito. Okay ah. This is a dry river or dry stream. Tuyot.
Diyan ako nangunguha pa to.
Tuyot pala oh. Pag walan, pag may bagyo.
Dito nagkakakot ng bato.
We are now off-road. No hard paving anymore. You see, we've been deep into the foot of Mount Banahaw. And still a lot. Wow. It's getting rough. The road is getting rough.
Dire-diretso yun.
Diretso.
Hanggang doon sa kanilang farm.
4x4.
Yan eh, 4x4 yun. Hindi inaalis yun, siya yasa ka.
You can see all these horse tracks. Horse track.
Naghintay pa ng tubig, walang tubig.
And now this rough road is flooded with stagnant rainwater. See, some farmers are carrying vegetable harvested from the mountain by shoulder. Top guy. Okay, ay. Shit, pagmamadali namin. Pati nga itong kud eh. Yung walking stick. Here, still flat. Buti nga hindi pa ako, ano, puro flat. Ay, hindi ka pati mag-hiking kung maulan. Bakit ka mag-hike kung maulan?
Diyan na may event. Tinira kami ng tabi, kami ng puso, sa barkada ko. May event dyan, palabas.
Pupunta sa cable car.
Ayun,
Tuloy na sila kailangan.
sa Berto Galera.
Oo. Makasakay.
4x4 para lang makapag-zipline. Puta nga, grabe yung danan. We are riding the first class 4x4.
Umangat o.
The strongest one. Oh my God. Ay, grabe yung sasakyan mo. Tibay ba? Ay, pag sa iba, iwas ako na ito. Ibigay na yung mulye.
Ano, yung port, tapos ko pa
Ay, kung hindi sira ang sapatos mo, okay. Ay, wala eh. Naghingalo yung sapatos mo eh.
Isa lang po sa ibig sabihin yan.
Marami mga sapatos, mga akin na ako huwag.
Sabi, sa dami-dami yung sapatos yung panapili.
May jablik yan na
Favorite na eh.
ginagamit tayo.
Na-stop.
This is the strength of 4x4 Mitsubishi. Wow. Grabe.
Ilan siya kilo ng gold?
Ano po yun ay pito. Namatay yung isa. Ano yung
Ganda pala dito.
Wow.
Ang malamig ang simon na kanin.
Ay, pero malapit-lapit na rin pala nung tayo naglalakad.
Lapit na rin. Kaya lang ay... Wow.
Wala yan. Oh, sige. Arriba! Arriba!
Lalo wala oh.
Lakas nito, ano? Kahit na luma-luma ng katawan eh.
Dito ya.
Arriba! This is the ano to, farm where you can have
Wala pa na ako
Camping.
yung nabati, wala pa.
you can have bring your own tent.
Diyan ba nakahuli dyan, tumuod.
dito nakakita sa kahon yung bata ito.
Diyan ba nakahuli, ikaw po kaya nakahuli.
Nang ano?
Napati.
Kalapati.
Ah, minaligaw dito.
Oo.
Maganda ho yung ibon na yun.
Oo nga, naroon. Yung pangarera. Ayun.
Ay, mga nagkakating.
Pero boss, salamat boss ha.
Uy, maraming salamat po.
Oy,
Pipicture lang yung mga kapatid.
first class. Thank you for the ride.
Pababa na uli. Pababa na uli.
Wow! Oh my goodness! Look at this. Oh, oh, look at that. Mount Banahaw. Close up. Close up. Close up look of Mount Banahaw. Wow, look at this. We are... Ano matatanaw dun?
Pasyal po kayo na sir, sa taas.
Ay, ganda ng bundok ko.
Yeah.
Ito na yung aking cellphone.
Ay, yeah.
Kalimutan ko.
Yan po sa ibabaw.
Oo. Oh, look at this. Nature at its best. Deep in the mountain, put up Mount Banahaw. Oh my goodness, look at this, ma. Oh my goodness. You can see from afar. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, they have some cottages. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's a dangerous fall. Without any safety railing. Oh, crap. Oh, I don't know where that is. Probably that one is Tayabas, Quezon. That one is probably a lake. And I'm not sure if that is a lake or part of the sea of the Lehican. And here they have cottages. Wow, cantilever cottages. And that's a steep fall. A very steep fall. Look at this beautiful place. Look at that. Meron dyan sila CR. Merong mga ano. Okay, it's time for us to go back down to the town. Such an amazing experience here at the farm. We were told that you can bring your own tent and spend the night over here. Then bring your own food. You can cook it by yourselves. There is also a public toilet, common toilet for everyone. And then you will be picked up by a 4x4 service truck from the bridge further away from here, and you will be charged about 30 pesos per head. It's a nice camping site with nature and a panoramic view, mountain range. Very beautiful place, very isolated, very quiet and peaceful place. And they also have a very strong signal for Wi-Fi or data. Excuse me, now see the rough road. This one conclude our hike from the town all the way up to the camping site at the foot of Mount Banahaw. All right. Whew. Now we're going down. We were told that there are lots of wild boar around here. Unfortunately, they're not like the wild boar of Hong Kong, which is more tamed. But the wild boar here are very untamed and trying to avoid people. So most of the time they stayed in the forest or up in the mountain. But the bad thing is there are vegetable farming here, and sometimes the wild boar are eating their crops, like these cassava or some taro or sweet potatoes farming. So sometimes maybe they hunt them, but that's illegal. That's against the law. But because they hurt the farmer's crop, that's why they have no choice maybe sometimes. But I'm not sure whether it's true or not. Hopefully it's not. Hindi. Nasayad din minsan. Hindi naman sasayad yung makina nun. May takip naman yun. No. Oh, look at this. Very wet and muddy road. With stagnant water. So hot. See, we are the only people around here. A very quiet place up in a mountain. Ba, may daanan pala doon na kabayo. Hindi, this Coyote Coyote Garden. Coyote Garden. Oh, there, oh, up in the mount trees. Up in the tree. A baby. This one is a baby coyote. In Tagalog, it's sayote. Sayote. Climbing up. Ayun, nagbunga na sa puno. Pipitasin na lang. Fresh from the tree. Oh, from the farm. Or sweet coconut.
Lalaki pa talaga ito eh.
Sayote.
Siya pa pare.
Bayang sayote.
Sobra lang.
Okay. Nice rural village road. Going back to town. And here are large area of coyote plantation. We just bought 2 kilos for 20 pesos each kilo. Fresh picked from the coyote vines. A big water buffalo or carabao. Carabao looking at me. Oh, a female carabao. A female carabao. Oh, look at this. On the steep hill, this coyote plantation. Wow. And it's coyote again. Everywhere, coyote. See? Mount Banahaw. We are here at the foot of Mount Banahaw. On a very sunny day. Wildflower of the forest. It is so hot. Luckily, there are many tree shades along this rural road, village road, farm road to town. It's now time check. 11:35 a.m. Started at 7:30 a.m. We are now hiking for 4 hours. Back and forth. To and from this campsite at the foot of Mount Banahaw. Oo nga, kalahati katawan, kalahati krus. Ano ba yun? Ba't ganun? Parang mali ah. Okay, finally, we have reached back Villa Karma. Villa Karma. I don't care. Villa Karma. Abandoned Villa Karma. I mean Villa Elma. Used to be a very popular destination for local tourists, but now it is being neglected and nobody care about it anymore. Oh, hello. Unfortunately, we took the tricycle back to town because of aching foot sole. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Please support our channel, for I am just a small-time YouTuber.